In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a search bar to your Wix website. This process is fairly straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. As you can see, I have a search bar here on the site already, but I'm going to show you how to add one anyway. So if you go here on the left hand panel, you want to click on this one that says add apps. So click on that. That's just going to load up for a moment. And now it's loaded, and you can see here it says site search. This is the actual app that we want. But if that isn't popping up for you for some reason, just go here where it says search apps and then just type search. And then it should pop up here, site search. You want to click on that and you want to click on add to site. And now you just need to give it some permissions, then click on add to site. And it now is loading up. I can put it at the top here next to this search bar. And now it's a fully functioning search bar. So I can publish that by hitting the publish button at the top right hand corner. So once it's loaded onto your website, you can click on the settings button and then choose the settings for your search bar. So you can set the site language to auto detect, open the results in a new tab. You can turn that on and you can fiddle around with all the other settings. And then once you're happy, just click on publish and then you'll have a search bar on your website. So that is how you add a search bar on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.